parking lot. Wow! There are so many cars! I love cars! Fire trucks, ice cream trucks, mail trucks, and ambulances! Hello! Help! Help! Dora, help! We came on a picnic to the Green Mountain. But the evil octopus showed up, and he's dumping garbage all over the mountain. Ha-ha! I like it dirty! Get dirty! I can't breathe because of all the dust in the air. Without the garbage, I can't tell where this is. Help! Don't worry, we can help. Oh, really? Thank you, thank you. Dora, how do we clean up all that garbage?
Garbage? Did you say garbage? Don't worry about the garbage. I am a very good cleanup truck. I can clean things up.
Wow! Cleanup truck? Does that mean you can clean up?
Of course. I have my brushes to clean up squeaky clean. And my vacuum that sucks everything in. And I have my scoop to scoop up the garbage.
Wow! Can you help us?
Sure. Where can I go now?
But Dora, where do we go to get to the garbage mountain? Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Map! Right! Will you check the map? You have to say, map! Map!
I'm the map, I'm the map.
He's the map! He's the map!
I'm the map! Dora and Boots have to go to the garbage mountain to help the little chicks. The evil octopus turned the green mountain into the garbage mountain. Well, I know how to get to the garbage mountain. First, you have to go to Isa's garden. Then, you have to get past the fish lake. And you can help the little chicks in the garbage mountain. So you tell Dora. Garden? Lake? Mountain.
Garden? Lake? Mountain. Where do we go first? Right. We have to go to Isa's garden. Then, we have to get past the fish lake. And we can get to the garbage mountain and help the little chicks. Oh, there's garbage!
Don't worry about the garbage. Rub-a-dub-dub, clean up, I'm an awesome clean-up truck. Cleaning up, squeaky clean, brushes clean up, rub-a-dub-dub. Vacuum sucks in anything, vacuum cleans up, vroom, vroom. Scoop cleans up, scoop, scoop, scoop. It cleans up garbage.
Oh, there's so much garbage!
Hi, Boots. Hi, Dora. Itza, what's going on? What happened here?
The evil octopus showed up and dumped the garbage everywhere.
There's too much dust in the air and it's making me cough. It smells bad.
It's hard to breathe.
There's too much garbage. How will I clean up all this garbage?
Don't worry about the garbage. I'll clean up all the garbage with this vacuum cleaner.
Wow! Cleanup truck, you're great!
Yeah, you're the best. Let's help him clean up. Will you clean up with us when you see the garbage? So, Itza's garden can be clean again. Oh, there's the garbage. If you touch where the garbage is, you can clean it up. Please clean up the rest of the garbage. Very good. 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 Great. Very good. Great. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good. Wow, we cleaned up all the garbage.
Wow! It's easy to breathe now. Thanks for helping.
My garden is clean again. Thank you, cleanup truck.
Oh, okay.
Oh, cleanup truck, what's wrong? Are you all right?
I think I ate too much garbage. I'm so full. Oops, sorry.
But what do we do with these plastic bottles?
Oh, I have a good idea. I need more flower pots.
Huh? Flower pots?
Yeah, watch. Cut the plastic bottle. Put some soil in it. And plant the flower. And we can use it as a flower pot. can get rid of garbage too. Great! I want to make more flower pots with the plastic bottles. All right! We can help you. Will you help us? Cut the plastic bottles with scissors. Put some soil in it. And plant the flower. Here's a pretty flower pot. Now, let's make more flower pots with other plastic bottles. Good! Great! Good! Great! Great! Very good! Great! Good! Good! We finished making the flower pots. Wow! My garden looks much prettier with these nice flower pots. We made nice flower pots! And cleaned up the garden. Yay! We did it! Where do we go next? Garden? Lake? Mountain? Where did we get through? Check! Yes, it's his garden. Where do we go next? Right, Fish Lake. It's the Fish Lake, but there's garbage here too. Mommy! Daddy! It's hard to breathe!
Honey, what do we do? The baby fish is in pain.
This lake was our beloved home for a long time, but we have no choice. We have to leave now.
Oh, what's going on? Why are you leaving?
This lake is our home, but it's dirty now.
There's so much garbage in the lake.
It's too dirty, and it's hard for us to breathe.
What happened?
The evil octopus showed up and dumped the garbage everywhere.
We have to leave our beloved home because of the garbage.
Wait! If it's because of the garbage, you don't have to leave. Don't worry about the garbage.
But cleanup truck, the garbage is in the lake. How are you going to clean up the garbage in the lake?
My scoop is very, very special. Do you want to see? Say it with me. Long. My scoop can stretch out long like this. How do you like it? Isn't it great?
Wow, cool!
Say it with me. Up.
Wow! It went up! Can you pull it down too?
Do you want to know? Then say it with me. Down.
Wow! The scoop went underwater! Wow! Then he can clean up the garbage in the lake!
Of course. Let's clean up the garbage together.
Please help us clean up the garbage. We have to clean up the garbage in the lake. If you touch the screen, the scoop, then you can clean up the garbage at the top. Please clean up the garbage. Again. Oops! Oops! Wow! We cleaned up all the garbage!
Mommy, Daddy! It's easy to breathe now!
Honey, we don't have to leave this lake anymore.
That's great. Ha
Thanks! Thanks!
Thank you so much.
The lake is clean now.
We helped the fish family! Yay! We did it! Where do we go next?
Garden, lake, mountain. Where did we get through? Check! Yeah, fish lake. Where do we go next? Right, garbage mountain.
It's the garbage mountain! There's so much garbage! Help! Help!
Oh, there are the little chicks. Let's go over there. Guys, are you okay?
Dora, Boots, you guys are here!
But we're not okay.
The little chicks are in pain because of the garbage.
Because of the garbage? I can clean that up.
Really?
Really?
Is that true?
Can you really clean up the garbage? There's so much.
Please,
Clean up the garbage.
We're in pain because of the garbage.
We're in pain too. We can't live here anymore.
We're leaving.
Bye! Bye!
I wish I can leave too. The rotten water from the garbage is coming onto my roofs.
I have a headache because of the garbage smell. Oh.
I'm in pain too. I eat soil to live. Yeah, but the soil tastes so bad. Oh. Please make the Green Mountain beautiful like before.
Please bring back the Green Mountain.
Please clean the garbage!
All right, I'll clean up the garbage. Watch me in action. I am the cleanup truck. I can clean up any garbage. Nice and clean. Wherever I pass by, it becomes nice and clean. Don't worry about garbage.
Wow! Great! Great!
I love it. I love it.
Good.
I can't believe he cleaned up all the garbage so quickly. Great!
Oh no. It became clean over there. I hate it clean. Here you go. Garbage! Ha 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 ha! It's dirty again.
More garbage!
No more garbage. I hate it.
Guys, don't worry. We'll clean up the garbage.
Please help us clean up the garbage. If you go near the garbage, you can clean the garbage. Let's go clean the garbage.
Now I can breathe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Uh-oh! There is not much garbage left.
Come on, a little more.
Now I can breathe.
Wow! It's clean! Wow! It's clean!
Oh no! There's no more garbage! Ah! Only if I had more garbage, I can dump it everywhere. But it's not over yet. I'll be back.
The Green Mountain is clean again!
This soil tastes good too.
Ah, fresh air!
I love it.
Thanks for cleaning up!
Thanks!
You're welcome!
We cleaned up the garbage.
And chased away the evil octopus. Yay! We did it!
Cleanup truck. Are you all right?
Yeah. Did you clean up too much garbage? You don't look so good.
Don't worry. I can clean up as much garbage as I want.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We did it! We did it! Yay! We cleaned up all the garbage in Eats' garden.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray! We cleaned up the garbage in the fish lake too.
We